The symbols you see here in this design have mostly been assigned to a particular botanical species. If we select this little symbol here, it's a geranium sanguineum, the crane's bill, and there's a code associated with it. Similarly, if we pick this next symbol there, it's the Japanese forest grass. If we pick this one, there is no symbol or no plant species associated with it. To do that, it's gCADPlus. Now I've attached a plant database file. I've edited it. I now want to set data to a plant, so I point to it. We want this one, say, to be the oak leaf hydrangea. So I could simply type HYD, short for hydrangea, and then do a quick search, and we can select that record, and this symbol in this drawing will be associated with that particular hydrangea. I need to fix up the spelling, but I'll do that later. So if I go OK, that plant symbol's now been added, and if I click in there we are. So all of the symbols here have been associated, and what that enables us to do, of course, is draw the plant schedule. So I can go gCADPlus and plant schedule. I'll draw the standard one with a height of text at 150, and I'll just draw the box, and the plant schedule now gets drawn complete with my spelling error, which I'll now fix up. So I hope that shows you the add plant command, which tags individual symbols with entries in the plant database file. Well, I've chosen the option to edit the plant list. I've dived in there. Entry 248 is hydrangea. I've corrected the spelling error, so I can OK it. The next step is to take that symbol and we'll break the connection, which is to remove data from the selected plant. And what we'll now do is pick the symbol again and reassign it back to the correctly spelled botanical name. So it's HYD, search for that, and here's hydrangea quercifolia, and we'll OK it, and now we're done. Now here was the previous plant schedule we drew. It's a little bit too narrow, we need to widen it, so we'll gCADPlus, draw the schedule again. We'll leave the text height the same, but for our corner point there, we'll move across like so, and there's our plant schedule with hydrangea quercifolia correctly spelled and the total number of that particular species in the design. So it's a very quick way to make your plant schedule, and of course those spelling corrections and additions to the plant database file only have to be done once.